1981 CB750, back from vacation. Only took about an hour tonight, but the fork gaiters came in. They look fantastic. They're exactly what I wanted, and the headlight ears came in. So I decided to just throw the front fork legs on and kind of take a look at it. Fork legs look good, cleaned up nice. The gaiters that I wanted to make sure they came over the seal and came and really booted up nice with just that right amount of kind of accordion effect there. These have zip ties. I'm not going to zip them yet. Used these headlight ears on the KZ650 that we built last. We really like those. They got some shims, but they're kind of affordable. Black, looks good. No issues. Like I said, not really a lot of work tonight. Just about an hour. Just throw those fork legs on there just to say we did something. But I've got the next several days open on the calendar and looking forward to getting a lot more done. Thanks.